What's up guys, hanging out with Edward today. Working on an RX-8. We're going to replace the window lift with a new window lift. We know it's new because it says new, and it's in a box. So, let's do this. The first thing we have to do is take off this door panel. So it's super easy. One screw there behind that little cover. There's like one screw in here. You can't really see it all, but it's there. It's right in. Focus, focus, focus. It's like in there. Let me get my light out. It's really hard to see. You see it? There we go. So it's right in there. Can't really see it.
That little hole.
Right there. You can see the head of it. Okay. And this has to come off as well. Alright, let's get it. So this piece right here just pops out. Super simple. Disconnect your speaker. See one clip in there. There's a little clip in some fancy hiding stuff. Alright, cool. Easy enough. Put it to the side. Don't lose it. Don't break it. We'll do this one now. Then we'll do this. Just pulling screws. And then we'll pull out the panel. I'll get that one. Determination. Alright, for this piece we just pry a little bit from here and here, being careful not to scratch the, in this case, carbon fiber. Pull it out, and, or carbon fiber colored plastic, I guess, and disconnect these things. Can't hold that, thank you. Got fancy plugs. Alright, need two hands. Alright, little tab on the side. Push it in. Don't break anything. Pull it out. There we go. One more screw. The third one. It's in there somewhere. We'll get it. Alright, so the screws are all out. We don't have any tool to pop out the rivets, like a little plastic wedge or anything. But he's muscling it. Just going around, pulling it out.
That's harder than it looks.
That's what he says.
There we go. Or not.
Didn't look that hard.
Oh, look,
the screw fell out. Alright, let's keep moving up. Make sure you get them all out.
No way.
He forgot to take off the cover for the door handle. Dang, amateur night, dude. Alright, door handle comes off. It shouldn't be very difficult. It's just a couple clips holding it in. Alright, back to square one. Door handle cover off. Let's go, Slippers. Alright, make sure you take out the light bulb. You don't have to do anything, just pull it out gently. It's got rounded tabs. It goes here, it's your door light. There's one more little clip up there, little wire harness that you have to unplug. Cool. And what we're replacing today is this guy right here. We'll get the new part as stated by the box to make sure that's exactly what we're replacing. Yep, looks just like it. Old part, new part. So after the door panel's out, just take these 3 bolts off and we'll do that now.
10.
Holy cow, a 10.
No way. I never would have guessed.
So what's wrong with the old one is that it won't roll down. It goes down about that much, or it jacks itself up really bad and then won't roll back up. Just to prove that this is what the problem is, we hooked the switch back up in the motor so you can see what's going on, and we can determine that it's not the regulator or the piece that pulls up and down the window. Go ahead, turn on your ignition. Okay, now hit the switch please. Alright, it's got snow love. Okay. Yeah, and then this piece is frozen for the most part. It's not engaging with it. Alright, now stay there. Let me get the new motor on here. Here's the new motor. Go ahead. Wonderful. That's what we need. Cool. Let's get this in now.
Ray.
No, put it on first. It gives you that. There you go. You got the guide. Make sure it's in there nice. Get it seated. Just have to get the gear to sit in. There we go. I'll hold it here. Go ahead and bolt it in.
Oops. Startled myself. Cool.
Alright, we'll get this in. I don't think you need us to show you how to bolt in 3 bolts. Alright, it's in. We'll plug it in. Now we just work backwards. Take off your switch. Alright. Well, actually, we have to roll down your window so we can get your door panel back on now that we can roll it down.
Right.
So I was wrong about removing this switch right now. If you're at home and doing this, you probably don't need to. And then we'll be right back after we get the door panel back on. Woo! Alright, we got the door panel back on, all the clips pressed back into place. 1 screw, 2 screws, 3 screws put back in. Go ahead and put the switch back in. Plug your connectors in, make sure everything clips in good. Alright. Got the light back in there too.
2.
Right. Just press this back in. Got to do the speaker. Plugs right back in. Okay. Clips right back into place. Unless it doesn't. Is it in? Looks like it. Alright, it's in. Alright, test your window. We rolled it down and everything was taken apart. Now, let's make sure everything works when it's put back together. Perfect. Good? Good. Smile says it all. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm Joe, that's Ed. We'll have a lot more stuff to do soon. But for now, one more problem taken off of the list.
The next problem is going to be under tray.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.